Top 05 most famous and luxury home vehicle brands that only the ultra-rich own for living on the road and off-road in the world. Wheels of luxury. Home on the move. Imagine waking up not in a mansion, but in a mobile palace, your home not fixed to any address, but free to chase horizons. Some travel for freedom, others travel in absolute luxury. Today, we journey into the rarefied world of ultra-rich mobile living, where nothing is ordinary, and every vehicle costs more than many homes. These aren't just RVs. They're statements of wealth, engineering marvels, and rolling homes fit for royalty. Welcome to Wheels of Luxury. We reveal 5 brands that define the pinnacle of luxurious living on the road and off-road. These machines are for those who demand uncompromising comfort, unrivaled tech, and a lifestyle without borders. From bespoke design to jaw-dropping price tags, this is where it all begins. Imagine this. You open your eyes, not inside a house, not inside a hotel, but inside a moving palace. Outside your window, snow-covered mountains. Tonight, a silent beach under a sky full of stars. Tomorrow, a desert road where only legends travel. This is not a dream. This is how the ultra-rich live. While the world argues about destinations, billionaires change locations with their homes. These are not ordinary RVs. They are million-dollar mansions on wheels, designed for people who don't follow maps, only horizons. In the next few minutes, you'll step inside vehicles that cost more than luxury villas. Machines built with German precision, American off-road power, and craftsmanship so exclusive that only a handful of people on Earth will ever own them. These luxury home vehicles are made for kings of the road, explorers of the wild, and visionaries who believe freedom is the greatest luxury of all. So fasten your seatbelt, because this journey isn't just about travel. It's about a lifestyle where home goes wherever your heart desires. So let's move to countdown. Branded number 5. Faulkner Mobile, Germany. A mobile palace for road masters. Company origin and founder. Faulkner Mobile GmbH was founded in Germany, driven by precision German engineering and passion for luxurious travel. Country, Germany. Founded, family-owned luxury manufacturer. Features and benefits. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, Faulkner Mobile offers truly custom mobile homes built around your lifestyle. Think handcrafted interiors, panoramic views, patented central garage systems, so you can carry your luxury car inside your home on wheels, and premium comfort systems engineered for extreme travel environments. Core competencies. German precision engineering. Unmatched customization. Central automotive garage integration. Luxury living standards on moving wheels. Price range. From around $1.5 million to well over $2.2 million plus depending on customization and features. Customer highlights. Owners praise Faulkner for its blend of automotive-grade engineering with custom lifestyle features. From Bose premium soundscapes to automated slide-outs that expand living space with one touch. Official website. https://faulkner-mobile.com/. Branded number 4. Morello Reismobile, Germany. Where first class meets the open road. Company origin and founder. Originating in Germany, Morello designs first-class motorhomes, blending craftsmanship and user-centric design. Country, Germany. Features and benefits. Morello destroys stereotypes, offering a vehicle that feels like a penthouse with wheels. Its Grand Empire series has multiple floor plans, generous living space, exquisite kitchens, sleek interiors, and panoramic windows that make you feel at home everywhere you park. Core competencies. Diverse floor plans from cozy to mega estate size. First-class kitchen and living amenities. German build quality for global travel. Price range. Luxury Murillo models often start near $850,000 and climb past $1.6 million for flagship configurations. Love property. Customer highlights. Travelers rave about Murillo's smooth road performance combined with real home comforts, like residential kitchens and ultra-comfortable lounges ideal for long journeys. Official website: https://www.murillo-rismobile.de/. Branded number 3. Richest, Germany. The custom dream home on wheels. Company origin and founder. A family business rooted in the heart of Germany's vehicle crafting tradition, Richest builds one-off custom vehicles tailored to owner dreams. Country: Germany. Features and benefits. Narrative. Imagine sitting in a lavish lounge that you could expand with automated slide-outs into nature's vastness. Richest's hallmark is personalization. From interior finishes to vehicle dimensions, every detail aligns with your vision of luxury. Core competencies. Fully custom luxury builds. German craftsmanship plus advanced automotive tech. Multiple chassis and interior design options. Price range. Expect starting prices around $1.8 million plus, rising based on bespoke additions. Loveexploring.com. Customer highlights. Luxury nomads applaud Richest for its attention to detail, advanced systems integration, and the ability to tailor every inch of their home on wheels. Official website: https://vario-mobile.com/. Branded number 2. Earthroamer USA. Extreme luxury for world travelers. Company origin and founder. Earthroamer crafts overland luxury motorhomes from Colorado, USA, blending rugged capability with premium habitat comfort. Country: United States. Features and benefits. For those who don't just want luxury, but freedom to roam anywhere, Earthroamer delivers. Their expedition-grade vehicles are built on tough 4WD platforms, featuring carbon fiber bodywork, self-sufficient power systems, and world-ready durability. Loveexploring.com. Core competencies. Ultimate off-road luxury mobile homes. Self-sufficient power/water systems. Rugged design for remote exploration. Price range: roughly $1.1 million plus depending on spec and terrain readiness. Loveexploring.com. Customer highlights. Buyers love Earthroamer for enabling true living off the grid with luxury living spaces, advanced power autonomy, and unmatched trail performance. Official website: https://earthroamer.com. Finally, the king brand at number 1. Marchi Mobile, Element Series, Germany. The ultimate luxury mobile mansion. Company origin and founder. Marchi Mobile represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury, a German-based brand redefining what a motorhome can be. They combine design influences from yachts, aviation, and high-end motorsports. Country: Germany. Marchi Mobile. Features and benefits. Grand reveal. At the top stands the Element Palazzo Superior, a true mobile mansion with jet-inspired cockpits, master suites with rain showers, panoramic decks, and unmatched living space, all crafted at the highest engineering standards. This is the motorhome that makes even luxury houses jealous. With panoramic roof decks, world-class HVAC systems, lush lounges, and fully integrated smart tech that feels like your permanent residence. Core competencies. Ultra-luxury design combined with German engineering. Highest customization plus material quality. Seamless blend of performance and comfort. Price range: from $2 million up to well beyond $3 million plus for flagship palaces on wheels. Loveexploring.com. Customer highlights. Owners describe Marchi Mobile as mobile real estate, not just a vehicle. It's where royalty, entertainment moguls, and global travelers find true freedom without sacrificing luxury. Official website: https://www.marchi-mobile.com. As this journey comes to an end, take a moment and think about what you've just witnessed. These weren't just vehicles. They were moving dreams, rolling symbols of freedom, power, and a life without limits. While most people search for the perfect home, the ultra-rich take their home with them, across oceans of sand, through frozen mountains, and into places where roads don't even exist. These luxury home vehicles remind us of one powerful truth. Life isn't meant to be lived in one place forever. It's meant to be explored, experienced, and enjoyed without compromise. Maybe today you're watching from a small room, a phone screen, or a quiet corner of the world, but every big dream starts with imagination. One day, you might not just watch these machines, you might be inside one, sipping coffee as the sun rises in a completely new country. If this video inspired you, amazed you, or even made you dream a little bigger, don't let the journey end here. Hit the like button to show your love. Share this video with someone who dreams of a life on the road, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss stories of luxury, travel, and elite lifestyles from around the world. And don't forget to press the bell icon, because the next destination is always closer than you think. Thank you for traveling with us. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep exploring, and remember, true luxury isn't about where you live. It's about the freedom to move wherever life calls you.